Hey y'all, this is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today we are daily duo planning, setting up for the week. And my Franken Planner Daily Duo, we are planning for the week of August 17th through the 23rd using a kit from PunkyBDesigns. Now, this is a daily duo kit, and this will be the first time I have shopped with PunkyB. So the name of this kit is Haley. Bright, summery, giving you all the end of summer vibes. We have our date covers, some big boxes, some scripts, some asterisks, and some teardrops, dewdrops, whatever they're called. We've got some washi strips, more big boxes, more scripts, big boxes, a page flag. I want to think that these are time labels, but I want to use them for the top 3 section, but they are not enough to go through the entire week. There are only 4, so we're gonna figure this out. But then we have some icons, Hello Weekend banner, some more scripts and icons, and we've got some time labels, some boxes, some more flags. Y'all excuse my voice. I don't know what's going on with it, but we're gonna push through. I also did receive the date dots, so let's get our tools out here. We're gonna jump into this. So, per usual, I am going to set Monday up. Actually, what we're gonna do is we're gonna speed through this entire video and not put additional strain on my voice this week. So, if you're interested, stay tuned while I sip my tea. No wine today.